The beauty of olive oil. According to Greek mythology, the goddess Athena offered Greece the gift of the olive tree, which the Greeks preferred over the offering of Poseidon, which was a salt water spring gushing out of a cliff. Referred to as liquid gold by the Greek poet Homer, olive oil was so respected that the cutting down of olive trees was punishable by death, according to the 6th and 7th century BC Greek Laws of Solon. Being highly valued, King David's olive groves and his olive oil warehouses were guarded 24 hours a day. As the Roman Empire expanded throughout the Mediterranean region, olive oil became a major article of trade, leading the ancient world to experience unprecedented progress in commerce. The main chemical constituents of olive carrier oil are oleic acid, linoleic acid, palmitic acid, stearic acid, linolenic acid, polyphenols, vitamin E, carotenoids, and squalene. Below, the differences between the varieties are outlined. Extra virgin olive oil. This variety is essentially natural olive juice. It is the least processed, as it is produced through cold pressing and does not involve the use of chemicals to refine it. Due to the absence of high heat in this extraction method, the fatty acids and nutrients remain in the oil, allowing it to retain the highest amounts of natural components and their health benefits. Virgin olive oil. This variety is derived from the second pressing of the extra virgin variety or from olives that are riper. Similar to the extra virgin variety, virgin olive carrier oil is derived from the simple mechanical cold-pressed extraction of oil. The negative aspect of this variety is that it is generally made from a poorer quality of the olive fruit. Ordinary virgin olive oil. Like virgin olive oil, this variety is derived from the olive with the use of only mechanical means or other methods involving thermal conditions that do not alter the oil. Refined olive oil. This variety involves the use of chemical treatment wherein the acid content and undesirable traits such as strong scents are filtered out with the aid of chemicals or charcoal, which work to neutralize them. Olive pumice oil. This variety is derived from the pumice or the mash, the skins, pulp, seeds, and stems of the olives, that remain after virgin oil has been obtained from the pulp of the olive fruits. The uses of olive carrier oil are abundant, ranging from medicinal to cosmetic. Its many forms include oils, gels, lotions, soaps, shampoos, and candle making. Used topically, olive carrier oil can be applied directly to the skin or a few drops can be added to a moisturizer of personal preference to hydrate the skin and boost the effectiveness of the moisturizer. Skin that is dry, irritated, or inflamed will benefit from olive oil's soothing properties. A small amount of organic olive carrier oil applied to the face and neck makes an ideal bedtime serum. On the face, olive oil gently removes makeup by attaching itself to other oil-based products on the skin to wash them away along with dirt, pollutants, and blackheads. To exfoliate the skin with olive carrier oil, it can be mixed with a small amount of natural sea salt and massaged into areas of skin that are dry and scaly to reveal a newer, younger complexion. The sugar will remove dead skin cells while the oil will penetrate the skin to leave it looking polished and radiant. Used in hair, olive carrier oil smooths frizz and split ends while reducing dandruff. For a hair treatment mask, olive oil can be mixed with an egg yolk and a small amount of lemon juice before being applied to the hair from root to tip. After leaving it on for 15 minutes and washing it out with shampoo and conditioner, hair will be soft, silky, and lustrous. Used on the nails, olive carrier oil keeps cuticles supple to prevent them from drying and cracking, which allows bacteria and fungus to form under the nail. A single drop applied to the cuticles before bed will keep them healthy and hydrated while facilitating the growth of stronger nails. For all-over relief, extra virgin olive oil can be added to a warm bath to repair the skin, boost elasticity, and slow the look of aging with its antioxidant properties. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to know more on natural carrier oils, you can see the playlist in the description below. Like and comment down below to share your experience using olive oil. Subscribe to our channel for more information and extensive knowledge of natural product ingredients.